It's never a pleasant experience to receive a notice of default, especially if you're not familiar with the term. When financial hardships strike, it's essential to be aware of your options and understand the foreclosure process in North Carolina. In this blog post, we'll demystify the notice of default, elucidate its meaning, and explore potential solutions for homeowners in distress. Understanding the notice of default. A notice of default, also known as a NOD, is a formal written document that your lender sends you when you're behind on your mortgage payments. It serves as a warning that the lender may begin the foreclosure process if you don't catch up with the payments within a specific time frame. In North Carolina, the foreclosure process is non-judicial, meaning it doesn't require court intervention. Typically, North Carolina law requires that the lender provides at least 20 days for the borrower to resolve the default before initiating foreclosure. During this period, you have the chance to work out a solution with your lender. Possible solutions for homeowners. 1. Loan modification. If you're unable to make your current mortgage payments, you may request a loan modification from your lender. This option entails modifying the terms of your loan, such as the interest rate or the duration, to make your monthly payments more affordable. 2. Forbearance agreement. In some cases, your lender may agree to a temporary pause or reduction in your mortgage payments. This short-term solution allows you to get back on your feet financially before resuming regular payments. 3. Repayment plan. Another option is negotiating a repayment plan with your lender. Under this arrangement, you agree to pay a portion of the past due amount in addition to your regular monthly payments until you're caught up. 4. Short sale. If you're unable to keep your home, a short sale might be an alternative to foreclosure. In a short sale, you sell your home for less than the remaining mortgage balance, and the lender agrees to accept the proceeds as payment in full. 5. Deed in lieu of foreclosure. In this scenario, you voluntarily transfer the property title to your lender, thus avoiding the foreclosure process. It's essential to ensure your lender agrees to this option and that you fully understand the implications before proceeding. Receiving a notice of default in North Carolina. This can be an overwhelming and stressful experience. However, understanding the foreclosure process and your options can help you make informed decisions and potentially save your home. If you're struggling with mortgage payments or have received a notice of default, consider reaching out to a housing counselor, attorney, or real estate professional for guidance and support. Remember, time is of the essence, so take action as soon as possible to improve your chances of finding a solution that works for you. Disclaimer: please seek professional and legal counsel on your own prior to selling a house. The information, materials, and content provided on this website, blog, or any communication medium are for general informational purposes only.